Speaking of energy and Joe Biden's infrastructure proposal is going to be directing billions of dollars, hundreds of billions of dollars toward clean energy. And a lot of companies and ETFs are going to be benefiting directly from this and are set to have massive, massive years, especially after the recent pullback we've had. And analysts are saying now is probably going to be the best opportunity we're going to have to buy a lot of these companies. We're not going to see a better opportunity anytime soon. So clean energy stocks have taken a pretty big hit over the last month. But prior to that, they had a massive 2020. They did better than almost any other sector, better than almost any other stock. And now with this correction, according to JPMorgan, over the last month, they're saying this presents a buying opportunity, and they think this is a huge deal, especially with the unveiling of Joe Biden's infrastructure plan. So Joe Biden is looking to do a $2 trillion infrastructure bill, and there's about $628 billion for climate spending, including $174 billion for the electric vehicle market, $100 billion for power grid, and all of this money is going to be directed at these alternative energy stocks that have dipped recently and now are at good buying prices, according to JPMorgan. Some of them, so some of the safer plays would be like ETFs, like iShares Global Clean Energy ETF. That's one, or Invesco Wilderhill Clean Energy ETF. Those are two different ETFs that had massive years in 2020. They more than doubled. And other stocks that aren't ETFs, but other stocks that are in the space are companies like Star Peak Energy Transition Corp, like I mentioned previously. Another one would be all of the charging station companies like ChargePoint, EVgo, EVbox. Another big one, which is not nearly as risky, which is just already generating significant revenues, over $1 billion in revenue, is Enphase Energy. Enphase Energy is one of my favorites. I talked about the stock on one of my channels back when it was at $93 a share. I think it was my second video on my channel called Michael Rubel, stock that I've owned for a while now. Either way, you can't go wrong, according to analysts, with ChargePoint, QuantumScape, Enphase Energy, or one of those two different ETFs, iShares Global Clean Energy ETF or Invesco Wilderhill Clean Energy ETF. They're saying that these, while there's going to be a lot of volatility short term, they could fluctuate 20% within a week, 20% in a couple weeks. But long term, they're saying there's no better opportunity out there to make a lot of money than these in this industry right now. So anything in the alternative energy space with solar panels, energy storage, that is where they see the biggest opportunity moving forward.